The animal kingdom is one of the most fascinating and diverse aspects of life on Earth, encompassing millions of species that vary widely in size, structure, behavior, and habitat. From microscopic organisms that can only be seen under a microscope to gigantic whales that roam the oceans, animals exist in nearly every environment on the planet. They inhabit deep oceans, dense forests, arid deserts, icy polar regions, and even the skies above us. This diversity is not random but is the result of billions of years of evolution, adaptation, and survival. Animals are classified under the biological kingdom Animalia, which includes multicellular, eukaryotic organisms that are typically motile and obtain their food by consuming other organisms. Unlike plants, animals cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis, so they rely on complex food chains and ecological relationships to survive. One of the most striking characteristics of the animal kingdom is its immense diversity. Scientists estimate that there are over 8.7 million species of animals on Earth, though many have yet to be discovered and classified. These species are grouped into various categories based on their physical and genetic characteristics. Broadly, animals are divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone or spinal column, such as mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Invertebrates, on the other hand, lack a backbone and make up the vast majority of animal species, including insects, arachnids, mollusks, and crustaceans. Despite often being overlooked due to their small size, invertebrates play crucial roles in ecosystems, such as pollination, decomposition, and serving as food for other animals. Evolution has played a central role in shaping the animal kingdom into what it is today. Through the process of natural selection, animals have developed traits that enhance their ability to survive and reproduce in their specific environments. For example, animals living in cold climates, such as polar bears, have thick fur and layers of fat to insulate them against freezing temperatures. Desert animals, like camels, have adaptations that allow them to conserve water and withstand extreme heat. Aquatic animals have evolved streamlined bodies and specialized respiratory systems, such as gills in fish, which enable them to extract oxygen from water. These adaptations highlight the incredible ways in which animals have evolved to fit their environments. Behavior is another fascinating aspect of the animal kingdom. Animals exhibit a wide range of behaviors that are often driven by instincts, learning, and environmental factors. Some animals are solitary, living and hunting alone, while others are highly social and live in complex groups or societies. Social animals, such as ants, bees, and certain mammals like wolves and primates, demonstrate remarkable levels of cooperation and communication. For instance, bees perform intricate waggle dances to communicate the location of food sources to other members of the hive. Similarly, wolves hunt in packs, using coordinated strategies to take down prey much larger than themselves. These behaviors not only improve survival rates but also illustrate the complexity of animal intelligence and social interaction. Communication in the animal kingdom takes many forms and is essential for survival. Animals use visual signals, sounds, chemical signals, and even body language to convey information. Birds sing to attract mates and establish territory, while some fish change color to communicate aggression or readiness to mate. Many animals rely on scent marking to define their territory or signal reproductive status. For example, dogs use scent to communicate with each other, leaving chemical messages in their environment. In more advanced species, such as dolphins and primates, communication can be highly sophisticated, involving a combination of sounds, gestures, and even learned signals. This complexity of communication reflects the advanced cognitive abilities found in some animal species. The concept of intelligence in animals is a topic of ongoing research and debate. While humans often consider themselves the most intelligent species, many animals demonstrate remarkable cognitive abilities. Primates, such as chimpanzees, can use tools, solve problems, and even learn basic forms of language. Dolphins are known for their high intelligence, complex social structures, and ability to communicate using a variety of clicks and whistles. Birds like crows and parrots have also shown impressive problem-solving skills and the ability to mimic human speech. These examples challenge the traditional view of intelligence and suggest that cognitive abilities are more widespread in the animal kingdom than previously thought. Reproduction in the animal kingdom varies greatly among species and is another key aspect of their biology. Animals can reproduce sexually or asexually, depending on the species. Sexual reproduction involves the combination of genetic material from two parents, resulting in offspring with unique genetic traits. This diversity is beneficial for adaptation and survival in changing environments. Asexual reproduction, on the other hand, involves a single parent and produces genetically identical offspring. While less common in animals, it is seen in some species like certain types of starfish and insects. Parental care also varies widely, with some animals investing significant time and resources into raising their young, while others provide little to no care after birth. The relationships between animals and their environments are complex and interconnected. Ecosystems are composed of living organisms, including animals, plants, and microorganisms, as well as non-living components like water, air, and soil. Animals play essential roles in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Predators help control the population of prey species, preventing overgrazing and maintaining biodiversity. Herbivores influence plant growth and distribution, while scavengers and decomposers recycle nutrients back into the environment. Disruptions to these relationships, such as the removal of a key species, can have significant and sometimes catastrophic effects on the entire ecosystem. Human activity has had a profound impact on the animal kingdom, often with negative consequences. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation have led to a significant decline in animal populations around the world. Many species are now endangered or at risk of extinction. Deforestation, for example, destroys the natural habitats of countless species, forcing them to migrate or perish. Climate change is altering ecosystems, affecting the availability of food and suitable living conditions for many animals. Pollution, including plastic waste and chemical contaminants, poses serious threats to both terrestrial and aquatic animals. Conservation efforts are essential to protect biodiversity and ensure the survival of endangered species. Despite these challenges, there are many success stories in animal conservation. Through the efforts of governments, organizations, and individuals, several species have been brought back from the brink of extinction. Conservation strategies include the establishment of protected areas, breeding programs, and laws to regulate hunting and trade. Public awareness and education also play a crucial role in promoting conservation efforts. By understanding the importance of biodiversity and the role animals play in ecosystems, people are more likely to take action to protect them. Technological advancements, such as satellite tracking and genetic research, are also helping scientists monitor and conserve animal populations more effectively. The animal kingdom also holds immense importance for humans beyond ecological balance. Animals provide food, clothing, and other resources that are essential for human survival. Livestock, such as cattle, sheep, and poultry, are major sources of meat, milk, and other products. Animals are also used in agriculture, transportation, and various industries. In addition to their practical uses, animals have cultural, emotional, and psychological significance. Pets, for example, provide companionship and emotional support to millions of people around the world. Animals also play a role in art, literature, religion, and traditions, reflecting their deep connection with human societies. Scientific research on animals has contributed significantly to our understanding of biology, medicine, and the natural world. Studies on animal behavior, genetics, and physiology have led to important discoveries and advancements. For example, research on animals has helped develop vaccines, medical treatments, and surgical techniques. However, the use of animals in research also raises ethical concerns, leading to ongoing debates about animal rights and welfare. Many countries have established regulations to ensure that animals used in research are treated humanely and that their use is justified and minimized. The future of the animal kingdom depends largely on human actions. As the dominant species on Earth, humans have the power to either protect or destroy the natural world. Sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and environmental awareness are key to preserving biodiversity and ensuring the survival of animal species. This includes reducing carbon emissions, protecting natural habitats, minimizing waste, and supporting conservation initiatives. Individual actions, such as reducing plastic use, supporting wildlife organizations, and making environmentally conscious choices, can collectively make a significant impact. Education and awareness are crucial in fostering a sense of responsibility towards the animal kingdom. By learning about different species, their habitats, and the challenges they face, people can develop a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Schools, media, and organizations play an important role in spreading knowledge and encouraging positive behavior. Wildlife documentaries, for example, have helped bring the beauty and complexity of the animal kingdom into people's homes, inspiring many to take action to protect it. Social media and digital platforms also provide opportunities to share information and raise awareness about conservation issues. In conclusion, the animal kingdom is a vast and intricate part of life on Earth, characterized by incredible diversity, complex behaviors, and essential ecological roles. Animals are not only vital for maintaining the balance of ecosystems but also hold significant importance for human life and culture. However, the challenges facing the animal kingdom today are immense, largely due to human activities. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve this invaluable part of our planet. By understanding, respecting, and caring for animals, we can ensure that future generations will continue to experience the wonder and beauty of the animal kingdom.